Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. These Zacks Rank Buys come under the category of growth and income stocks. And here to talk more about a couple of companies he wants to bring to our attention is Alex Kolb, our growth and income stock analyst for Zacks.com. And the first company that you want to talk about is Owens Minor, OMI, the ticker symbol. Where's the growth? Where's the income?
Well, it has both. This company manufactures medical and surgical supplies. It's been a pretty hot sector and continues to be so, and this company is no exception. I'll get into the income first. As you can see here, I highlighted that it is. There was an increase. Let me first say there was an increase in the dividend of 15% recently. So that now translates into what I highlighted, which is a $2.78 annual dividend. Mm-hmm. Its yield is 1%. That's not huge. Within its industry, though, that is a good yield. The company is doing well in terms of income. And the growth is in the fundamentals. As you can see here, there was record performance in the fourth quarter. Revenue of $1.96 billion and earnings per share of 66 cents. The earnings per share beat forecasts of 61 cents. And I might mention here the earnings for the year prior were 56 cents. And on the revenue, if I can just get right back to that, the 1.96 is a 14% increase over the year prior. Both of these numbers are at record levels, and as I mentioned here, management said that this has been a great year, despite the tough economy. And if I can show you a graph here, this shows how the fundamentals translate into technical performance. Mm-hmm. The company has been outperforming the S&P 500 for the past year, as it shows here, and this showed just recently there was an all-time low that the stock hit and spiked off of it. I believe it's going to go further.
All right. And then another one that you want to profile for us is pronounced AAON, the ticker symbol AAON, and that's how the company's name is spelled, but it is pronounced AAON, not to be confused with the insurance company in Chicago. This company does what?
They build and produce custom built for commercial and industrial use heating and air conditioning. Okay. Custom built, and I might mention semi-custom.
All right.
And here, if I can get into more record results in the fundamentals, this company also recently reported the fourth quarter and the full year, and both sales and net income levels here were all-time high. As you can see, sales went 7% year over year higher, and net income jumped 23% year over year. One more thing I want to add here with this being a growth and income pick is the dividend in this one. It has a semi-annual dividend of 16 cents per share. That translates into a yield of 2%, also a leader in its industry here in terms of income.
Fundamentals are strong on this one as well.
Yes.
Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. For you to peruse more of the growth and income stocks that Alex has written about in the most recent past, go to Zacks.com. Take a look in the upper right-hand corner of our homepage. That's where we keep all of the Zacks Rank Buy stocks listed by category. Click on the headline right next to the growth and income listing. It'll take you right to Alex's most current story, and then an archive of some other story stocks of the past 4 days, I believe. With Alex Kolb, I'm Terry Ruffalo.